Don't Griselda go off? Left from the loft and went. Pink Ferragamo sliders on deck. Silly rap beef, just give me more checks. My life is a movie, I'm never offset. Me and my amigos, no, not offset. Switch, switch, I got them upset. But my shooters, I make them dance like dubstep. Switch, switch, my haters is up. Ooh, y'all, my hair look a mess. But this is why we're recording this video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another wig video. I ain't did another wig video in a long time, boo. But what we finna do is just open this hair. I just took it off the Amazon package or whatever. Let me tell y'all a story about this wig. First of all, we're gonna make it short and simple. Long story short, I was sitting around chasing this wig for a year and some change. Nah, I lie. I was sitting around chasing it for like a minute though. But we're gonna open it up right now. Okay. So the box is pink. I don't know what brand hair this is. This was a surprise for me. But yes, this is the box. Oh, Mesariel 100% virgin human hair. This is the thing on the bag, and this is what's inside the bag. You know, well, sweetie ain't wearing his hair. But it comes with a wig cap. Can y'all imagine your girl with some blonde hair? No, you can't. One more dip, y'all. I do the opposite of everything y'all say, so I don't know why you told me. All you people look at me like I'm a little girl. Well, did you ever think it'd be okay for me to step into this world? Always saying, little girl, don't step into the club. Well, I'm just trying to find out why, 'cause dancing's what I love. Hey, wait a minute. No, you can't do this to me. Wait a minute, no, that's not fair. Hey, wait a minute. You're running like to the right. This color really don't match me, so if anything goes wrong in this video, this is exactly why. I can't show y'all this, but I'm about to put makeup on my waist. Don't even ask me why I got these big old kitchen scissors. Caught up in the way we were, I feel your hands getting close to mine. Don't say the words that I love to hear, the beat goes on and I close my eyes. You got something that I ain't seen before. Hold me 'cause baby I'm yours. Oh, I can't wait until we get home. Everybody let me hear you say right, right, right. Go spend all your money 'cause the day paid day. And if you a tree, you a tree, tree, tree. My name is a nigga.
want to.
Like that.
Why don't you say so? Didn't notice your punches not to roll. You got to keep it focused. Don't wanna say so. Enough to knock me off of my feet a week. Just a touch of your love. Just a touch of your love. Just say you feel the way that I feel. I'm feeling sexual. We should be sexual.
Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go.
So rolling, not a stopwatch, shit don't never.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
God's plan. God's plan. This is real life, niggas think we playing check.
I've been eating long enough. It's my turn to cut the food. Pass the plate with my drink. This my day. Lucky you. What you do?
Big reputation, big reputation. I'm just playing. I'm playing.
Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it. Hands on your body. I don't wanna wait.
I don't fly, shall we drive, look alive, look alive.
Like a light,
Like a light,
like a light,
like a light. Yeah, walk it like I'm talking, walk it like I'm talking, walk it.
Haven't ever seen a crowd going ape shit.
Are you happy now?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's in the night.
Así que dale pom, 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 pom. Ponle carne a mi sazón, son, 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 son. Choca todo eso con mi bom, 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 bom. Le tengo el control pa' ganar los dos.
Guitar bar on the east side, where you at? More like my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet me in the back.
Baby, I got it. Fucking when I get some money, son. I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I perform, product case, killer weed, rock a lace. Apple cut the check. I want all this money. 7 up, go get the tech, and leave all this play. If the light is coming to give back everything that died. Say my name, say my name, say my name.
Say my name, say my name. All the stars are amazing.
Touch me like you touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me.
Make kiss me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I see
Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my, my.
Tell me something, boy. I know the tears are rolling down your face, and it feels like yours was the only heart to break.
Don't be afraid, the shadows know me. Let's leave the world behind. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. I know I go back to you. I wanna hold you.
So y'all, I forgot to record the part where I was flat ironing, but I flat ironed it. Hold on. I flat ironed it all the way through, and then I used this to spray the ends because it was frizzy. The ends were very frizzy, and they still kind of do look frizzy on this side. But I don't want to spray too much and make it stiff, so do that. Then I sprayed some on the top, and I also put a little bit of concealer right here. I don't know if it look a little orange, but I don't know. But yes, I think this is 18 inches. think that's 18 inches. I don't know. Then again, I'm short, so. Yes. Put on my little Shein shirt. The shirt's from Shein. It's in my haul in my last video, so yes. You need to go check that out if you want to see what I wear, what I bought, etc, etc. I don't know if dipping that hair in the water worked. I don't know. Do y'all think it worked? Comment down below because I don't know. But yes, I was kind of scared to put this on because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna look right in it, but I think I look pretty cute.
Step what? Oh.
So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe to me. Support my channel. Comment down below and tell me what I should do next.
Poppin', they keep hating, but still watching. Pink Ferragamo sliders on deck. Silly rap beefs just give me more checks. My life is a movie, I'm never offset. Me and my amigos, no, not offset. Switch, switch, I got them upset. But my shooters, I make them dance like dubstep. Switch, switch,